Hi everybody, my name is Amy Sickley and I'm here today to just really quickly go over the vitality question. So a lot of people are asking, why are some labeled white and why are some labeled with the regular color? Well, let me answer that. The FDA requires us to label our bottles with a white label that are for ingestion and with a regular colored label that are for aromatic or topical. So let me tell you a secret though. They're the same oil. I've actually seen it. I've been to the plant. So we are going to follow the letter of the law though, and we are going to label our oils for ingestion and for aromatic topical. But I will say when I run out of this vitality oil, I sometimes put this one into my Nature Red. So just kind of an FYI, cost saving effect there. The reason the FDA does that is because, let's say, Aspercreme. We wouldn't ever take Aspercreme and put it on our body and then later in the day whip it up in a smoothie. But essential oils don't fit the same standards as pharmaceuticals. So we still have to follow that letter of the law. But these oils are both the exact same. The best way you can use your vitality oils is in your water every day. I love to put my vitality oils in my water, but you want to use a glass container or stainless steel or porcelain, because then it's not breaking down the petrochemicals that are in the plastic. They break down the petrochemicals in us, but we don't want to be ingesting the petrochemicals from the plastic. I've messed up quite a few Turbis tumblers that way. Yikes! So now I know to use glass or stainless steel. That's it on the vitality oils. I can't wait to get to learn more. Bye-bye.